what we have here is one ordinary bottle of root beer.
Okay.
Me, 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 me. La, 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 la. I take my burping very seriously. Step number 1, open it up.
Tasty.
Trick is taking several small sips. This is just not working out.
What are you staring at?
It's creepy. Yummy, yummy. I love you, Daddy.